Hey there, it's me again. It's another cooking episode. So this is day one. I am untying my sack. It has a lot of grains in it. So I'm going to take only the maize for today. I'm taking all the others out. Forget about that little boy in the background and focus on me. So I'm pouring a bit of the maize in this pan, then I'll pour the rest into 3 buckets of water into the bowl that is on the drum. Now I have placed it on the drum because I don't want the children to come playing with it. It's going to make the smell go bad, so I always keep it up here. And then I pour a bit more of the maize to add to it. The rest I am going to use the next day for my Tom Brown. So as I have children, I have to pack them back into the sack and tie it, because when you leave it open, you know now they'll come and play with it. So this is how it looks like when you are done putting it in the water. I am air drying my grated coconut, washed millet, and then my tiger nut. And day 2 has begun. I am soaking my millet. I bought 4 of the olonka, so 2 into each bucket filled with water. I am soaking it just overnight. If you are doing it the same day, you soak it in the morning and then you wash it in the evening, but I am doing mine overnight. So it's almost 6 p.m. You can see that it's dark. It's almost 6 p.m. whilst I am doing this. And I have washed all my storage containers and I am drying them for day 4. And as that was going on, my fire was already done. I'm adding a bit more coal and I'm going to start frying my grains. So these are the grains that we are going to use. We are using tiger nuts. Ingredients: we are using wheat, we are using soybean, we are using sorghum, we are also using millet, and then we are using ground nuts, and then maize. We are starting with the maize. The maize is about 2 olonka, yes. And then the other ingredients I mentioned in the small bags are 2 cups of groundnut, 2 cups of soybean, 2 cups. I'm going to list the ingredients, so let's focus on what I am doing now. So you keep stirring it like so. You don't rest though. If you rest, you see that bits of it will become black whilst you are doing that, and that will not give you a very colorful Tom Brown. You see that I was talking to someone in the background, and so my focus shifted, and then I started seeing the black ones. So I'm picking them out, and then I'll keep stirring like so until it becomes golden brown. Until it becomes golden brown. You are going to fry all the other ingredients like so. Yes, so when you do it like this, it's able to last you about 6 to 8 months. It doesn't go bad. Even 1 year, it is not going to go bad, because it was previously air dried before it was brought to the market. Plus you have also added heat, which is going to extend the shelf life of your Tom Brown. So you see it's golden brown now. I pour it and then empty it well, and then I pour the next ingredient, which is the wheat. Okay, so the wheat is light brown, but when it becomes dark brown, then you know that it's ready, and you pour it, and it would normally stick to the pan, and so you have to scrape what is burnt before you go on with the next one. Yes, for the millet, you keep stirring until it turns bright red like so, and then it starts popping like popcorn. Then you know that your millet is also done. Then goes in my soybean. You keep stirring until it starts cracking and looking brownish, and then you pour that also. And then my oat has gone in. My daughter is helping me at this point. Yes, I have to teach them so that they can also learn how to cook when they are of age. Yes. So she kept stirring and stirring until it became brown. And then I poured in my millet. You keep stirring that one also until it starts popping. Have you seen? Just like the sorghum. Then you keep stirring in your tiger nut until it becomes brown. Then goes in our grated coconut. You stir and stir until it looks like this. Then you know it is dry. The last one is going to be our groundnut. I am not using sand or gari to do it, so it will turn brown like this. At this point, our groundnut is ready. And then the date I actually bought for this, these children have eaten all, so I didn't even add it to the ingredients. Now this is our finished product. See you guys next time.